Hi Scorpio, welcome to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a September read for you. Let's see what's coming up for in September for all my Scorpios. These are general collective readings, Scorpio, so will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. That said, let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Scorpio and send us the messages we need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. Let me just shift this a little bit. Yeah. Okay, so thank you and welcome back all my subscribers. The channel has grown to 3,000 subscribers now within 3 months. I'm pretty shocked but also very grateful. Thank you so much. And if you're if you're new here, we welcome you to our little Omkara family. Oops, 2 cards. Okay. We welcome you to our little Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and we welcome you here. Before I open your cards, Scorpio, I'd like to take an angel blessing card as well to top the reading. Signs from above. So this card, Scorpio, basically means that you're being guided right now, it seems. Whatever you're going through in life, if you're confused, you don't know what you're doing, where you're going, and you keep getting these nudges and signs, maybe you're reading something, suddenly open a book or a newspaper and something really kind of catches your eye, or you're seeing repeating numbers or repeating songs on the radio. Keep a little watch out, because this could be, your angels sending you messages and guiding you towards where you're supposed to go now. So let's see, what's your current energy? The Magician. Wow. What happened in your recent past? 10 of Swords. And the Return. What's this all about? So, also Cancer, some of you are reaching out for personal readings, okay? So, I have a small request. Whenever you send these emails, just in the subject write personal reading, dash your country and state that you're in. It just saves me a lot of trouble to, give you the slot that would be perfect for you and I, because we're both in different time zones most of the time. So, just make sure you mention the country in the subject box, okay? And the state. Thank you. So your current energy, Scorpio, is of the Magician, trying to manifest something after after a recent betrayal or something really fell apart. You felt abandoned. Somebody really did you bad, and you felt neglected. Maybe none of your dreams maybe came true in the past, and you have been strong throughout it all. This was a very big hurt, very big betrayal, I think, that you went through by someone. And you kind of lost hope here. Yeah, this was a huge tower moment in your life, right? This came out of the blue and suddenly, and look at all these swords that got, pierced in your back. And this is a very painful 10 of Swords, isn't it? But there is that sun shining, the new dawn arriving behind this person, which is exactly what you Scorpios did. You kind of were disheartened for a bit, felt a bit sad and abandoned and left out. But I think you guys picked yourself up pretty fast with that strength energy there. And now I'm seeing that you're in the Magician energy. So Spirit, what is this Magician energy? You are trying to now manifest new things without opening yourselves up too much. Yes, you've been enlightened, you have spent enough time in isolation, you've thought about it, and whatever troubled waters there were, oh wow, this is really good, Scorpio. I don't know what kind of healing you've gone through, but you've dropped all this crying and, worrying and having sleepless nights and whatever. And from this very troubled time, after getting this enlightenment, maybe you've been very spiritual, or maybe have a mentor who's advising you, you have now managed to get out of this troubled times, and now you're moving ahead to very calm waters. At least that's what you're trying to manifest, right? You're trying to manifest this new beginning, let's say, for yourself, or Maybe you had a mentor here who was very loving and kind to you, who's actually helped show you the way. Spirit Magician. Yeah, so look at all this healing that you've been doing. Look at all this healing, the Magician, right? So you have gone within, you have healed yourself. A lot of healing has taken place, and maybe now you're ready, Scorpio. You're ready to now have a passionate new beginning, an adventurous new beginning of your life. So you kind of gotten over whatever didn't make you feel good. Maybe something was something happened here with the Six of Wands in reverse, which made you feel like really down, like almost humiliated at one point with whatever went down here. But in September, I have the Eight of Cups in reverse, which basically says something or somebody is returning for one more shot. Scorpio, if there was somebody in your life that you kind of healed from, I have a feeling this person has been watching you. This person has been keeping an eye on you. They haven't really let you go. And here they are, coming back for a restart or re-beginning. And here the card is again of somebody returning into your life, right? Yeah, my God, Eight of Cups is clarified by the Eight of Cups in reverse, which means a return. I'm shocked. They're coming to heal a broken heart. Or maybe their heart is broken and they feel the only way they can get any kind of healing is by coming back to you now. They know that you've withdrawn all your love from them, and they're not very happy about that. They need this commitment back in their life. They have also gone within, Scorpio. They've gone within. They know they never offered you commitment. They know that they were rash and brash and mean and rude and whatever. They were in and out of your life. And now you're single, and I don't think they're liking that very much. They're not very happy with that. Amazing. Sweet. I want one more card for this return. Can you please give us a little more clarifier? Wow. They want a fresh new beginning with you, Scorpio. They want to now propose marriage to you or something long-term, which is stable. Whatever they didn't offer in the past, now they want to have it back with you, and they want you to take a fresh leap of faith and move on to commitment. Amazing. Just when you've healed yourself, that too. Let's see here what you should hold on to. Scorpio Spirit says right now you should hold on to this phase that you're in when you're trying to move away from this troubled time into calmer waters. I don't think you should really disrupt your healing, whatever you've been through. And I really don't think it's a good idea right now to reconcile with this person who's coming back, or if they wish to come back, because this has been very turbulent for you. This has been very rocky for you. And this made you really angry, right? Whoever did this to you, this made you so upset and so angry, because this person was full of nonsense, bullshit. Okay, they were a flirt, and they never really meant what they said in the past. And that is why you were so heartbroken here. And now if they want to come back, especially now that you've healed and now you're going on to calmer place, I don't think Spirit is suggesting that you even give it a shot. Yes, don't be confused. I think it's time to drop this person out of your life altogether. Let's see what you should let go of. Let go of this feeling of abandonment. Oh my God, without this person, I'll never find anyone ever again. I'll be alone and nobody else is going to love me, and life is going to be so burdening for me. And, all this remorse that you have, remorse of the Five of Pentacles. I don't think it's even worth, Spirit is saying, let go of this feeling. Let go of this feeling, yes. There are many secrets here which are going to be revealed to you, Scorpio, finally. And I think it's time, to reject this offer. One more card, Spirit, of what should Scorpio let go of? What should they let go of? Of course, this could be Scorpio you, or this could be your cross watcher, so just be aware of that. So I could be picking up, your cross watcher's energy here. Yeah, stop waiting now, okay? Stop waiting. I think it's time for you to plan your own future here. The whole wide world is open to you. It's time to turn your back on whoever has disrupted your life so far. And after all these secrets which have been revealed, I think it's not a very good idea to go back or accept this offer once again. You can choose anything you want to right now, and don't make that mistake. I think it's a better idea to kind of keep your guard up and push back anybody who's coming to you who's not on your level. Look at all these people who are so much below this person. Okay, so people have to come to your level to even approach you now, because you have now healed and you're fabulous. You're doing well on your own. Let's see, Scorpio, what is going to be your biggest blockage? Your biggest blockage is considering how much investment has already been put into this relationship and whether you should give it any more of your attention. Sometimes you feel, oh my God, I've already done so much and I have spent so many years with this person. Maybe I won't find anybody else. Let me just go back to this person only, because who knows whether I'll find somebody else or not. So you're checking out you keep going back and forth in your mind to check out the investment that has already been put in this relationship. Spirit is saying, don't even consider going back. Okay, don't even consider going back, because this little bit of investment, that Seven of Pentacles that you keep thinking that there's so much investment has been put, is no investment at all, because you yourself are the Nine of Pentacles here. Okay, if you start making this decision, Scorpio, it's going to lead you to indecision for your life. You won't be able to see the path in front of you. You are this, right? You are this Nine of Pentacles already. You don't need to look at the Seven of Pentacles here. You have the world in your hands, as I just showed you here. Here, you have the world in your hands. You can continue to, growing and moving ahead. So don't be in indecision here about, moving forward with this person just because. I mean, there's no real reason I see here, except that they really hurt you. Let's see, how does this person see you? They see you as not actually kind of giving them any attention. They see no forward movement coming from you. You're not, they see you are over and out, which is great, Scorpio. They see you as not wanting to have anything fresh beginning with them. According to them, you have already closed this chapter. Excellent. This is exactly what Spirit has been recommending. That don't put any more work into this. Don't put any more work into this. This person is a very controlling and not a very good energy here. Let's take one more card. How does this person see you? How does this person see Scorpio? Scorpio, if this is your cross watcher, how do you see your cross watcher? One more card, Spirit. Yeah, they see you as not even wanting to have any communication. You're not pushing to take things forward. You are not working towards it, and you are not even bothered. Excellent. Stay in this mode. Let's see what is the secret advice that my angels want to give you. I mean, my spirit guides. Ace of Cups. So Spirit says, there's no harm in forgiving this person. Okay, love can be love without getting involved with somebody. So if you forgive this person and love them for what they are, and kind of forgive them, I think. Yeah, you don't have to become their wife or husband, right? This is the spouse card, okay? So the Spirit saying you don't have to be their lover or their wife or their husband to extend some love to them, extend some wish fulfillment. You can be there for them, you can support them, you can be kind to them, you can help them without getting bound to a certain kind of a role that this person wants. They want to control you once again. So don't allow being controlled now, okay? You can tell them, yes, I would like to, know you. I can uh, look after you if you ever need my help. I can take you to the hospital if you need, my assistance. I can do whatever, but I'm no longer willing to be your wife or your husband or be tied down to you because I haven't seen any good results maybe in the past as your one and only, maybe girlfriend or whatever you were, boyfriend. Because this person has been a very selfish character in your life. Okay, so you're telling them, no, I can't be with you anymore. I'm going ahead for a fresh new beginning, and I can make these pentacles by myself. Right? I don't need those 7 pentacles, which are now, they're already harvested, I think. It's over and done. So, Spirit, anything else for Scorpio? Any other secret message for Scorpio here? Yeah, Spirit is saying be very discerning, be very clear in this thing. They may try and kind of force you or ask you for some kind of an answer. So Spirit is saying have that clear communication with this person if need be, but be very sure of what you're getting into. Just don't get into something for the wrong reasons. Yeah, because they will offer you maybe something which is going to be small. So the Spirit is saying instead of juggling back and forth, don't think twice. Be very, very clear in what you want and what you don't want. You have so much passionate new beginnings coming on, for yourself. Do you really need to go back to a place which didn't work for you, Scorpio? So I think September is going to be you and yourself looking fabulous and being pursued, maybe by your past person, and I think many, many others. I mean, the wand is all shining for you. There's nothing stopping you. Don't get sucked back into the past. Yes, because otherwise this magician who's trying to return back into your life is sooner than later going to turn into the trickster once again. So don't take that chance. Okay? And see the signs, go back into history, see what this person did, what they're doing now, and maybe the tarot reading is telling you, giving you a sign that don't go back to anyone who tried to, hurt you or manipulate you in the past. Okay, they may return, they may want you back, but that's because you are doing so well. There is no more love left here, Scorpio, so don't waste your time here. There is no working together with this person. You'll end up again in the same place where, you'll have regrets, you'll be sad and upset and whatever. All this fiery energy that you've come into, you're just going to get bitter and angry once again, because all the forward movement and this passion and this new creativity that you've come into, it's going to now again get halted, because this is exactly, I think, what this person did to you in the past, right? They stopped you from growing. They're going to put you in this prison back. Yeah, where you're going to be stressed and tense all the time. So Spirit is strongly recommending, do not go for this fresh new beginning with this past person, Scorpio. Put an end to this. Because why? Because this is already ended. You don't dig up, a corpse and marry them. I'm sorry if I'm using something bad, but I'm trying to put this in, that release this. Just release this now. It's gone, it's over, it's past. You are now the Empress. You can create anything for yourself. And this person sees that. They see what you've become, and that's why they want you back. Where were they earlier? When they hurt you, they upset you, they broke your heart. They were not there at that time, were they? So why do they want to come back when now you're doing so well? So that's all I have for you, Scorpio. You take care of yourself, love and light, and I will see you for your love read next. Till then, namaste.